Hey guys, welcome to the first video on Chainlink Daily. If you're interested in anything that has to do with Chainlink, this is the channel for you, so make sure to subscribe. In this video, we're going to be talking about a lot of things that have to do with Chainlink. We're going to be talking about the price movements and the chart. We're going to be talking about how high, in my opinion, Chainlink can go, and regarding its price, it's very, very green recently, which is very, very nice. We're also going to be talking about Chainlink's community and how fast it's growing and why I think that's a very important indicator in the future of Chainlink. And not only that, but look at how many new collaborations they're doing. I mean, it's just insane to see this. And if you're interested in what exactly is Chainlink and how it operates and why I'm very, very bullish on it, then of course I'll make other videos. This is only the first video, so make sure to stay tuned. And last thing that we're going to go over is my personal holdings on my public account. So because it's the first video, I'll explain really quick. I do have other channels that I create videos, for example, XLM Stellar and Cardano. Other channels I will be adding more videos soon. But in the other channels, I've explained that I have private accounts, which of course I keep as private. But I'll also do a public account, which is this one, on Coinbase, which I'll share with you what I'm doing, when I'm buying, why I'm buying it. And most of my assets, just for full disclosure, are in private accounts and other accounts. So this is just a small account currently. Hopefully we can grow it together and you'll kind of understand what I'm doing. Of course, don't do what I'm doing, okay? As you know, probably you've heard it 1,000 times on YouTube. This is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. I'll be happy to share with you and hopefully educate you on what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So first thing, we can see that I'm holding 300 links on my public account, which is around 7,000 euros. Because I'm a European resident, it's not in US dollars. And I'll be happy to add, as much as possible on every dip. I am very bullish on Chainlink. I think that it's gonna be a tremendous factor in the whole cryptocurrency space. And if we look at its current market cap, it's at 11 billion, or almost $11.5 billion market cap. There is a lot of more room to grow, in my opinion, even though we're breaking all-time highs every single day. But, the whole cryptocurrency market is breaking new all-time highs every single day. Look at the market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market, 1.5 almost trillion. A week and a half ago, it was under $1 trillion, okay? So just to kind of let you understand what is going on currently. And regarding, again, how far can it go? I think it can easily 10x from here, okay? When I say easily, I mean, it's going to take at least till the end of this year. But I do think that it can 10x itself until the end of this year and reach even a $250, $300 billion market cap in the next few years, okay? There is a lot of usage for Chainlink's oracles, and of course we'll talk exactly about what they're doing and how they're doing it in different videos. But I just want to share with you that this is just the beginning. In my opinion, we have a lot more room to grow, and that's why I'm buying a lot more Chainlinks with my spare cash. Regarding Chainlink's Twitter, and I highly recommend you to follow them if you're interested in Chainlink as well, they're posting a lot of new collaborations, okay? Let's just read a few of them. Decentralized film financing platform We Are Mogul to integrate Chainlink to provide audited film budget data and fair market exchange rate on chain. Mogul will use this data to distribute transparent, automated dividends to investors of indie films. Okay, that was 2 hours ago. And if you scroll down a few more days, you'll see that they have a lot more cooperation. For example, 2 days ago, decentralized big data ecosystem GeoDataBlock will launch their own Chainlink node to increase their users' ability to monetize data. So this is just another example, and of course you can check for yourself, but it's very exciting to see how this project is growing. And one of the main reasons that I'm so bullish on Chainlink is just starting from the beginning, okay? Who is standing behind Chainlink? Which is, of course, Satoshi Nakamoto. No, I'm just joking. This is a funny article, though, on Bitcoin.com. The many facts pointing to Chainlink's Sergey Nazarov being Satoshi Nakamoto. Yep, you've guessed it. This is Satoshi. I'll read a little bit so you guys can understand that, technically, they pretty much can convince you. I mean, once you read this, you're like, whoa, wait a second. Is Sergey Nazarov really Satoshi Nakamoto? Like, they do convince here, and, it's a pretty neat article. I'll just read you a little bit of it. During the last few years, smart contracts and blockchain oracles have transformed the crypto industry, and one specific project called Chainlink is the most widely used Oracle network to date. Another interesting thing about Chainlink is the project's creator, Sergey Nazarov, has been a Satoshi Nakamoto suspect in recent times. Last year, a number of reports attempted to prove that Nazarov could be Bitcoin's creator by leveraging circumstantial evidence and speculation. Chainlink's founder, Sergey Nazarov, deemed a Satoshi suspect. So they talk about here, the fact that he purchased several domains before Bitcoin's white paper came out. The 32-year-old Sergey Nazarov has been considered a suspect in the hunt for Satoshi Nakamoto. The picture on the right is all of Nazarov's interesting domains. Smartcontract.com was created 6 days before the Bitcoin white paper was published. Interesting. Is that you? Is that you, Sergey? Are you Satoshi? So if you want to read, of course, go to bitcoin.com. It's the first article over there. And, let's leave speculation aside. Sergey Nazarov, I'll create, of course, videos talking about him specifically. I mean, this guy is a genius, okay? This guy, if you study him, you see what he's accomplished, and you listen to him talk, I mean, he is such an underrated player, in my opinion, currently in the whole cryptocurrency market space. Unless he's Satoshi Nakamoto. But he's not being covered a lot. Not a lot of people are talking about him. And of course, before I put a lot of money into Chainlink and links, of course, I studied the whole project and I studied Sergey Nazarov, its founder. And after I studied, I mean, this guy is highly underrated. And I'm very excited for Chainlink's future because he is its leader and he is its founder. If we go on the daily chart, we can see there's a very beautiful uptrend. Okay, it was around, just in the beginning of the year, the 1st of January, it was around $12 per link, and now it's $28. Okay, so it had a significant move up. All the cryptocurrency market space went significantly up. I do see a lot of more green days and a lot of more green candles, even highly massive green candles, the ones that they call elephants, with Chainlink. And if we look closer, we can see that, the 20-day moving average is slowly going up. We're touching it every time, making it our support. And if you're new to this whole trading thing and the 20-day moving average, RSI, all of these things is kind of Chinese for you, then don't worry, I'll explain more during the next videos as well. I'll try to start from the basics so you guys can understand. So we're seeing a very nice uptrend. However, we're still not seeing an explosion, as I've said, and I do think that Chainlink has the fundamentals to explode. And so I am expecting this uptrend to continue. I do think that it will hit the $30 mark in the next week and a half, 2 weeks, with the continuation of this uptrend. By the end of this year, 2021, I do think that Chainlink will reach $100 per link. Of course, I'll create a separate video giving the full analysis and breaking things down and not just throwing out numbers. So of course, stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. And that video will be uploaded soon, explaining why I think Chainlink will reach $100, giving my full analysis on Chainlink and its future. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the first video on Chainlink Daily, which is very exciting. In the description of this video, you'll have a link to this link tree, and then you'll have different links. You can follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and reach out to other cryptocurrency channels as well. You'll have a Crypto Daily podcast, XLM Stellar YouTube channel, Cardano, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. So make sure to check out the link in the description. If I've earned it, make sure to like this video and, of course, subscribe to this channel for future videos, analysis on Chainlink. My name is Nate. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.